So hello my dear learners, today I'll talk about the two special thing, exactly how to use will and will be and how to use in the English language should and should be. So this is very careful and important class for you, so you don't skip the videos, and if you are new in this channel, so you will share and subscribe, and if you are new in this page, so you have to follow and then share this page. This is perfect learner. Okay, get back to the lesson, and this is very important. So, my dear learners, first you have to know the structure. Number one, subject, will plus beyond plus extension. So, how do you feel right now? I will try my best. This is the example. I will eat rice. I will play cricket. This is exactly for the beginners. And I will play football. I will drink water. I will make more videos. This is very special. And the second one is will be. How to use will be? Subject plus will be plus noun or adjective. You can use here. So follow the structure on the screen. So I will be a doctor. No, I will be a master. এই সেন্টেন্সটা কিন্তু তোমাদের খুব ভালো করে ব্যবহার করতে হবে, কারণ এই সেন্টেন্সগুলো খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ আমাদের ইংরেজি শেখার জন্য। সো ফর দ্য বিগিনার্স দিস ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ওকে,